Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. These are pretty gross. They have lime wash paint on here from that video. Definitely some ski wax because it's peak ski season and I'm tuning my skis a lot. Let's do some research on how to clean these. Okay, I really like this video by Amber Resells. Looks like we just need baking soda, dish soap, a toothbrush. Google AI says something pretty similar. Let's go set those up. This is what we got. Glad we didn't have to go to the store to pick anything up. Kirkland dishwashing liquid I already had. This baking soda is from removing the mold from the shower curtain video. I did a little warm water with the dish soap. Let's add some baking soda to see what consistency we want to get that. Kind of a lot there, but we're gonna go with something like this and start using the toothbrush to see if we could get this. This is the lime wash paint. I'm not sure if that's gonna come out, and I have some ski wax from when I'm tuning my skis, but gonna keep doing this until things look pretty clean. This is where I'm currently at. Every time I use the baking soda mix, it would dry out the shoe a lot, kind of like over here, trying to get it on camera. So I went to get one of these and a little water to help clean. And I like using this better than the toothbrush because it was just really small and slow going, and maybe I'm just a little impatient. It's not working great on the wax. We'll see how much of the wax comes off, but might need something a little bit stronger than dish soap to get it out. And it also dries out pretty quickly. So I did more water just to, I don't know. I feel like as you're cleaning, you do want this to be a little liquidy to help get the bacteria and dirt out better. But I also know, I think the reason why they don't want to soak this in water is it'll dry out the cork too much. So gotta find whatever you're comfortable with, but I'm gonna keep going. Little areas, I still do enjoy using the toothbrush, but the big parts, I prefer using a dish sponge because I'm lazy. Looking pretty good. Last step, I took the towel and soaked it in water to wipe everything down. Whatever suede model I got and whatever dye they're using clearly is getting on my hands. Hopefully it washes out pretty easily. This also still feels quite soapy, so after I wipe everything with this towel, I'm gonna go rinse it out and do another wipe just so it's not having a bunch of soap soak in this. But for now, video 346 done.